In this tutorial, I'll show you the best way of creating a glow by using Eevee and Bloom with composite nodes. Here is a sample scene. The best glow I'm going to be showing you is located at the bottom. Please remember to use Eevee with Bloom turned on, but this example will work with cycles as well. Please compare the top and the bottom meshes. The top three meshes are using the usual emission node, and the bottom one is using the default BSDF node. This example mesh was created by extruding and beveling a curve point. Please activate an add-on called Extra Objects to use the curve point. Type E to extrude. When you're done, please type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A to smooth the curve like this. Let's take a look at the material nodes in detail. The next two are identical, but only using slightly different color ramp settings. This last material is what I wanted to show you. If we connect the color ramp node's color to the BSDF node's color and emission, we'll keep the original color while glowing. The idea is to set the emission value to 1, and use the composite node's glare to glow the mesh. If we increase the emission strength, we'll start to lose the reflection on the original color. I'll show you what would happen if we increase the BSDF node's emission. As we can see, the surface reflection is much lighter than the previous example. The last material example is the best Eevee and Bloom glow method that I would recommend everyone to use. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.